Tonight, the ACLU vows to continue the fight against a state law regulating nonprofits that pay for people's bail. The judge ruled it can go into effect on Friday.
The law came about as a way to curb violent crime here in Indianapolis. News 8's Adam Pinsker is live at the State House and tells us why the ACLU, Adam, says that law goes too far.
Yeah, Phil, the ACLU in this case is representing the Bail Project. The Bail Project is a nonprofit that helps people who can't afford to post their own bail raise the money to do so. The ACLU says that this law is unconstitutional, but a federal judge allowed it to go into effect anyway. Beginning July 1st, nonprofits that raise money to get defendants out of jail will no longer be allowed to post bail for people who have been charged with a violent crime or had a conviction in the past for a violent crime and were charged with a felony.
Certainly, I hope that with this law that it helps prevent violent offenders being released back out on the streets and committing more violent acts.
Reverend Charles Harrison is board director for the 10 Point Coalition, a group that engages with people on the streets in an effort to defuse situations that could lead to violence. While he supports the work organizations like the Bail Project are doing, he wants to make sure these groups don't unintentionally discourage people from reporting crime.
So if they report a crime and the individual that they tell on is right back out on the street, then they're concerned that they will become the next victim.
The ACLU says the new law, HEA 1300, violates the Bail Project's First Amendment rights and its 14th Amendment rights, or equal protection under the law. A federal judge ruled the case did not merit a preliminary injunction to stop the law from taking effect. In a statement, ACLU Legal Director Ken Falk said, "This case is still alive, and the court will be considering the merits of our argument about the far-reaching First Amendment and equal protection implications of the law. The only thing that today's decision means is that the law will not be paused while the case proceeds." News 8 reported on 3 separate incidents in 2021 where an individual whose bail was paid for by the Bail Project committed violent acts upon their release, including murder and attempted murder. And the bill's sponsor, State Representative Peggy Mayfield of Martinsville, says she's pleased with the judge's decision. She says this bill is to make sure that these organizations like the Bail Project adhere to the same regulatory rules that other organizations that operate in the highly regulated bail industry must follow. Adam Pinsker, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.